Hey guys, you all are welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing both ROCKERZ 255 Bluetooth earphones. This is just an unboxing video. If you need a complete review on this product, please comment down below. Guys, you can see it comes with some great features like Bluetooth 4.1 with 6 hours of battery backup, and you can even connect two devices simultaneously. These are some main features, and comes with A to DP audio technology, and it's even splash proof. Let's open this package. And guys, I buy these earphones from Amazon Great Indian Sale for just 1000 rupees. If you're searching for a Bluetooth earphones and your budget is around 1500 rupees or 1000, then you should consider buying these earphones. In the box you are getting a micro USB cable and some ear tips with a user manual and a warranty card. Guys, build quality is really great. It comes with 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and a power button. You can even use it as a Google Assistant or to activate Siri. It comes with a magnetic buds. It feels very secure when you wear these earphones. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you need a complete review on these earphones, please comment down below.